Yeah. What? All right.
He's not gonna fly without this.
This is 10. What the hell is? It's 31 Papa Hotel. Requesting permission to land.
This is a tower. Land that aircraft. Mighty fine aircraft. Miami looks mighty fine nice up here. Mighty fine aircraft. Mighty fine aircraft. Superb vehicle. Miami looks nice from up here. We're going to be taking a little bit of a detour. Cruising at 42,000 feet.
Dear Lord!
Lord! This is 11 Uniform Fox. I repeat, we're going down!
I'm not taking control.
God in heaven, we're going down!
Say, Miami does look nice from up here.
Miami, I thought we were going to Boston.
God in heaven, we're going down!